Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to all students. I hope everyone is fine today and ready to learn English with Mr. Fizri. Okay, saya harap semua sihat dan bersedia untuk belajar bahasa Inggeris. Okay, today is Tuesday, 3rd August of 2021. Okay, our topic is about sports. Okay, sports ataupun sukan. So here we can see many types of sports. Okay, kita boleh nampak pelbagai jenis sukan. Okay, so today I want to discuss yesterday's homework. Saya nak bincang homework semalam dan perkataan yang penting sebab ada yang tak tahu kan maksudnya apa. Okay, so now look at number 1. Okay, what is the answer for number 1? Okay, number 1 the answer is cycling. Okay, this one cycling. This is for number 1. Okay, number 2. Okay, dia ada gambar yacht. Yacht ni kapal layar. Okay, so the answer is sailing. Sailing. Sailing ni maksudnya berlayar. This is the answer for number 2. And then number 3, this one actually gambar swimming pool. Gambar swimming pool. So the answer is swimming. This one And then number 4, okay, so dia ada raga macam ni, ada basket ni, and then dia ada ball. So the answer is basketball. Where is basketball? And this one, okay, bola keranjang. And then, okay, number 5, we have racket. Okay, ada racket. And then we have a ball, ada bola kecil. So the answer is tennis here. And then lastly, so this one kita ada kayu ataupun kayu besi ni. And then nanti dia kena pukul bola jauh. So the answer is golf. Here, golf. Right. Okay, now let's look at the name of the sport in English and also bahasa Melayu. Okay, so number 1, athletics. Athletics, olahraga. Okay, athletics ni yang melibatkan larian lah. Lari 100 meter, lari berganti-ganti, and that is athletics. Okay, and then number 2 is basketball. Basketball is bola keranjang. Okay, yang macam kita tengok yang ada bakul and ada bola tu. And then number 3, this is climbing. Climbing, this is memanjat. Number 4, cycling. Cycling, berbasikal atau mengayuh basikal. Number 5, football. Football, bola sepak. Number 6, golf. Golf is golf. Okay, this one nampak ni. Ni yang baju yellow ni, this is golf. Number 7, gymnastics. Gymnastics is gymnastics. Okay, rasanya ramai tahu gymnastics tu yang macam mana, yang dia ada lompat-lompat, pakai baju cantik tu. Okay, you can watch in TV because now we have Olympic, ada sukan Olimpik and ada acara gymnastics juga. And then number 8 is hockey. Hockey, this hockey ni yang guna kayu hockey. Okay, hockey macam ni lah, this one. Ni hockey, ada kayu dia. And then number 9, horse riding. Horse riding is menunggang kuda. Number 10, rugby. Rugby is rugby, this one. Nampak yang bola dia lonjong ni, yang dia kena berebut tu. Number 11, sailing. Sailing, this is berlayar. Number 12, skiing. Skiing, this is meluncur ais. Okay, meluncur ais. Yang kasut dia ada macam besi tajam tu. then dia kena meluncur ataupun berjalan di atas ais. Number 13, swimming. Okay, swimming is berenang, very easy. Tennis is tennis. Volleyball is bola tampar. Okay, bola tampar dia macam badminton tu, dia punya court dia ada jaring kat tengah-tengah, and then dia kena passing bola lah, guna tangan. And then lastly, wrestling. Okay, sorry, wrestling is gusti. Gusti. Alright. Okay, so for today's homework is very easy. I just want you to copy all these words. Okay, copy all these words. Salin semua perkataan ini di dalam buku E1 ataupun buku tulis bahasa Inggeris yang lain lah yang kamu ada. Okay, that's all. Itu sahaja. Cuma salin sahaja. Okay, kata if you don't know what these spots are, you can Google it. Okay, boleh Google atau boleh tengok dekat YouTube. You just type je, nanti dia akan keluar spots ni. Okay, that's all for today, and I hope everyone can do this, and thank you.